What is up, YouTube? How's everybody out there doing today? So we have a little cool video for you guys, and it involves these guys right here. Cold Air Inductions, very awesome company. So I found a old, I guess you would say an old catalog from them. I was digging through some of the stuff, the rubble in the back of my shop, and I found an old catalog, and I was looking through it, and I noticed that they offer a cold air intake for the 97 to 03 GTP Grand Prix. And I have been looking for a cold air intake. I've been thinking about getting one for a while, and I just didn't know who to go with. And when I found out that Cold Air Inductions offers one, I was like, gotta do it. You know, so I contacted Kyle over there, and I told him, hey man, I just noticed you have this, and I want it. Send me it. Very, very good price and everything. So the part number, I got it in black. The part number is 5010873-B is the part number. Black Y-body 3.8 liter intake system. It fits the 97 to 03 Grand Prix, 97 to 04 Buick Regal, 2000 to 2005 Monte Carlo, 2000 to 2005 Impala as well. So if this same kit here does fit a wide variety of different vehicles that are pretty cool. I mean, that's pretty awesome. So if you're looking for, if you have one of these older vehicles, maybe some of you out there do, contact Cold Air Inductions. Their information will be linked in the description below, and see if they have an intake for your vehicle. So what we're going to do is we're going to do a little unboxing. I never seen what this thing looks like, so I'm kind of interested. So we'll do a little unboxing video, and then we're going to go out. We're going to go ahead and put it on the car real quick and see how she sounds. So it should be pretty interesting. Let's get started. Alrighty, let's open this thing up. Whew, we got some. Well, we don't need that. We have, oh, it looks like we have the box part of it here. Wow, look at that. Look at that. Get out of here. So here's the box. One thing I always liked about Cold Air Inductions was they use this this heat wrap in the back, in the inside here. Keeps that heat nice and good to go. It's a nice little box setup. Put that over to the side here. There we go. We have our some tubes and some brackets and some bolts and sticker instructions. What else do we have here? Thank you everyone here at Cold Air Inductions for your business and support. No, thank you for offering awesome products. And then it looks like this here. Of course, that's our filter. I should have known that little box. That's our filter. So we got a nice filter. We have our box. We have this interesting tube here, and we have some instructions. So let's get started. We're gonna go ahead and put this thing on and see what she looks like. The one thing I will say about Cold Air Inductions that I really like a lot is, I'll tell you what guys, they have some hellish nice instructions. Color photos, you don't see that very often. Very detailed step-by-step instructions. Even a 5-year-old could do this. I mean, it's crazy. Even a 5-year-old can install these things. I mean, let me get in here a little bit better. Just look at that. Very detailed, nice instructions. That's one thing I like about these guys. They have really good instructions.
What we do here is go back.
Alright. Then what you do is you got your plate. Your plate goes in here like so. And then you have 2 Allen head bolts that go in as well. Right here. Nice little holder it's got here, I'm not gonna lie. Make sure these are nice and secure. We don't want this moving around at all. Okay. Next, the instructions state that we sit the ECU inside of there, like so. No? Okay. Technically, okay, well it looks like this just sits in here like this. The wire loom is kind of different, so I don't think it's gonna. Then what we're gonna do is, this is our main housing. We're gonna put our main housing in here, which goes in sort of like, that, I guess. It looks like. Oh, my headlight's in the way. Right there, my headlight bulb. There's our 3 bolts at the shop. Alrighty, so one goes here, like so. Come on. Like that. And then one goes here, in that hole. And then the last one goes in this corner down here. Find the hole. Ah, there it is. And then we tighten these guys up. Like so. Here. That, and then this last one here. And that, pretty nice secure setup there. Let's tighten this one down a little bit more here. I don't want to go too harsh with it. There we go. Much better. Alright, next step is we got to put our tube back in. So I got to take that off, put the tube back in. And then there's a piece that goes in there, which is this piece here, that goes in between here and here. Kind of a pain in the butt, honestly. It's like a self-fitting boot, kind of. Right there. We'll plug our IAT sensor back in. That way that's taken care of there, like so. And then, I guess we put this into here like this, and we tighten our clamp down, like so. Make sure that's nice and tight. I always like to take the metal strip and face it down, that way you don't really see it. Plus the Air Inductions name is facing the right way as well. So I guess what we do is we just stick that sucker in there like that. Come on, get in there. She's a tight one. She's a tight one. There we go. And then we'll tighten this one down here. Obviously make sure everything is secure. It's not going to pop out. The filter's not going to pop out, which it doesn't look like it will. Alright, as you guys can see, this is a very, very nice setup. We got the box mounted, the ECUs mounted, the tubes mounted, and that's all nice and tight. This is back on. Let's see what she sounds like. I can already hear a noticeable difference in sound already. Wow. Look at that. That thing's sucking some air, let me tell you. Holy smokes. Make sure everything's still good to go. That thing is sucking air. You guys can hear that. Supercharged 3.8 liter. That should definitely make a little bit of a difference in power. I would suggest that you double check the tuning after you do one of these intakes. Obviously we didn't put it on the dyno, so we really don't know what air fuel was before and after. But I'll probably end up putting a wideband in this car and adjusting the tune as needed. But you're definitely going to want to make sure you check tuning after you install pretty much any modification. So that is literally the first mod that I've ever done to this. That's literally the first mod that I've ever done to to my car. That's freaking awesome. Air Inductions makes a very nice intake. We'll let her warm up here. We're going to go to lunch here. Man, you can even hear it outside the car. Whew. So we're gonna let the car warm up, and me and Mitchell man, we're gonna go to lunch here soon. You ready for lunch here, buddy? Just about. Alrighty. Well, guys, nice little video for everybody to watch. Like I said, I didn't even realize Air Inductions made an intake system for that old of a vehicle, but obviously they do, and I got it. I really am happy with their product, and I like using their stuff, and I'm gonna continue to use their stuff. If you enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Instagram, Diablo Perform the Racing. Facebook, Diablo Perform the Racing as well. Air Inductions information will be down in the description. You guys can go check them out. Deuces.